Welcome back, fellow fans. Welcome to a special episode of Let's Mod Millenaire. Inuits and Mayan Edition. Inuits and Mayan Edition. So, the last couple of episodes of Let's Mod Millenaire Inuits, those are getting pushed out soon. The content from those episodes are getting pushed out soon. Um, should be a couple days. Should be a couple days. But for a future update, oh, and for the Mayans, I'm sorry, we're still working on them. We've got a lot planned for the Mayans. A lot planned for the Mayans. Anyways, now for the reason for this episode. Look at this. A bunch of random banners. Hmm. Well, let's see what happens when we do this. Oh, look at that. We've got ourselves some special Mayan banners. They're a little off. There's a pixel off right there. This is just a proof of concept right now. And on the subject of proof of concepts, I'm not sure how I'm feeling about these ones. I just did these ones for fun. This one feels a lot more Japanese. But this one, this one's okay. What do we got here? Is this what I think it is? It is. What about you? You are you, right? Yeah. And then we've got... Ah. Yeah. Let's go ahead and put you right here. And then you? I was a little worried about this one because it's a little bit busy. But I like it. Yeah. I'm iffy on this one. I really like how this one looks. You have to look at it from the side because of the pixel being off. But yeah. Yeah, these ones are looking nice. And this looks like it's connected to this. It's not supposed to. It's from the same image, obviously, but that's what it looks like. That's interesting. Okay. Yeah, this turned out better than I thought it would. Hmm. And then we've got this nice one. So nice. Now, you guys may be asking what these banners are for. And I gotta say, if I were you, I'd ask that too. Anyways, let's load up the Inuit banners resource pack. Currently, it's just a resource pack in order to show what they look like. I was a little concerned about this mermaid, but no, it's definitely looking good and mermaidy. It's actually Sedna. It's not really a mermaid, but it's an interpretation of Sedna. Here's a Nooksuk. This one, gorgeous. I love this one. Look how gorgeous this is. This is based off of the design of some of their clothing. Gorgeous. Here's some waves. Interesting. This one's based off of a tattoo. Here's their cutting tool. I think I call it a sodding spade in here. I think I was going to give this one to the Mayans because it is based off of some Inuit art, but it looks Mayan-y. Doesn't it look Mayan-y? That's totally not a word, but it looks Mayan-y. Yeah. This looks better in person than it does in Photoshop. I was thinking about changing the main one. This is what the main one is. I was going to change it to maybe this because I love how this turned out. Oh my God, that looks gorgeous. Look at that. Gotta look at it from the side, of course, because of the pixel on the side. But, oh, so gorgeous. Anyways, no, I'm keeping that. Nice. I might not be keeping that. mm, hmm. I'm already short because on the other ones you saw I had more. Well, some of them were some of those extra weird designs. Anyways, that's it for this video. Be sure to stay tuned for some more Millenaire Explained. We're going to have more episodes soon. More episodes soon. I have my Millenaire Explained episodes waiting for some updates to come out because I don't want to release a video like a week or 5 before a new update comes out. That mermaid turned out pretty okay. Yeah, I was a little worried that it didn't look like a mermaid. Hmm. Hmm. Anyways, my cat has decided it's time for him to sit on my monitor and block me from seeing things, so I guess that's the sign for today's episode to end. Bye, film fans! Sure wish I could see what's going on. I'm sorry I'm not giving you pets. Let me give you a little pet. Good boy. See, this is why he does this, because he knows that I'm going to pet him if he does it. Bye, film fans! Oh, it's nighttime. There we are. Nice. Nice. Look at that. Oh. Oh. I just love. Oh, don't push on my hand while I have it in a mouse. I love the opacity changes. That's where the color's slightly different there. I did the colors in what is called Mayan blue and red because those are some popular Mayan colors. Mayan blue is named after the Mayans, so that's how popular it is. You can see in the back I was looking at the the different blues, trying to find one that's more Mayan bluey, and the cyan. Cyan's definitely Mayan blue. Oh yeah, I was leaving. Bye.